थिवीचे लीडर बाबा उदय साळकर आजचे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स बेसिकली असं जे SEZ आणि त्याची नंतर जी केले सगळे स्कॅम मग त्याचे पयलीं एकच हांव एक म्हणजे शिटकावणी सरकाराक दिवपाक सोदता. फाटले कांय दीस सरकार सामको वेगळ्याच स्थितीन पावलो आसा कोविडाचे दृश्टीन. कोविडाचो एटॅक गोंयचेर परत स्टार्ट जाल्लो आसा. केसीस भरमसाट वाडटात आनीक सरकार सामको मंद आसा ह्या हेजेर. कोविडाची हेजेर जितली सरकारची काळजी घेवपाक जाय आशिल्ली ती सरकार तितली काळजी घेयना. सरकारान ज्यो एक्शन्स घेवपाक जाय त्यो एक्शन सरकार घेयना आनी त्या खातीर आमकां मातशी गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी काळजी वाडटा गोंयच्या लोकांची. आमी गोंयच्या लोकां कडेनूय अपील करतात की तुमी तुमची स्वताची काळजी सगळ्यांनी घेवची आनी सरकाराचेर डिपेंड रावची न्ही. ज्या हेजे खातीर कोविडाचो महाभयंकर प्रश्न परत सुरू जावपाक शकता. कारण कालूच आमचे 1 वर्स कंप्लीट जाता जे आमचे लॉकडावन जाल्लें आनीक गोंयांत कितली परिस्थिती वायट जाल्ली आसा सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. आमचो जो दुसरो प्रश्न आयचो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साचो प्रमुख मुद्दो जो आसा SEZ जे SEZ काँग्रेस गोंयांत SEZ लागू जाले. तेजे नंतर तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसतलें SEZचे लोकांचो विरोध जालो. लोकांचो विरोध जातकच 2008 सदांच काँग्रेस सरकार हो लोकां बरोबर रावलो सरकार. लोकांच्यो ज्यो प्रश्न आसात लोकांचे जे डिमांड आसतात आनीक गोंयच्या इंट्रस्टान तेन्नाच्या दिगंबर कामत सरकारान पब्लीक सेन्सिटिव्हिटी जी गरज आसता राजकारण्या भितर ती दाखयली दिगंबर कामतच्या सरकारान आनी SEZची जी पॉलिसी आशिल्ली ती विथड्रॉ केली. जवळ जवळ 7 डेव्हलपर्स तातूंत आशिल्ले आनीक कांय न्ही म्हणजे जवळ जवळ 38,40,886 स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन तातूंतल्यान विथड्रॉ जाली जी दिल्ली ती. थंय ह्या सगळ्यांनी पयशे भरलेले. पयशे जवळ जवळ सगळे जे भरलेले आसतले ते 130 कोटीचे आसपास आसतले. तेजे नंतर एकदां गव्हर्मेंटान डिसिजन घेतकच SEZ पॉलिसी विथड्रॉ करतकच IDCन नोटिसीस इश्यू केल्यो on 13 June 2008 to all the developers regarding refund of security amount that was deposited, premium and the interest. Subsequently, all the promoters, by a repetition, they have challenged the Kamath government's decision to withdraw the SEZ policy. Simultaneously, there was a public litigation application that was filed challenging the allotment, because there was a NGO was fighting against the SEZ. But bowing down to the pressure of the people of Goa and the sentiments of the people of Goa, the Congress government led by Digambar Kamath withdrawn that policy. And Goa was the only state where there was agitation and the Congress government respected the people's wish and accordingly they have withdrawn. Subsequently, High Court rejected the petition filed by all the developers. जे challenge केले ते High Court त्यांचे reject केले. That means they have upheld the government decision to withdraw the SEZ. And subsequently they were asked to return the land. जमीन सरकाराची परत दिवची आणि त्यांना किती पैसे असते परत त्यांना दिवचे. हो actually decision. Now against this decision, they should have returned the land to the government. But government आखिर land परत दिली ना. आणि त्यांनी डिसिजन सुप्रीम कोर्टान चॅलेंज केली आणि त्याच्यानंतर सुप्रीम कोर्टान उरली. सबसिक्वेंटली काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंट पडलो 2012. पर्रीकर सरकार सत्तेर आयलो आणि त्याच्यानंतर ज्या तरेन बीजेपी सरकारान करप्शन केल्ली, they have seen the corruption opportunity in this SEZ withdrawal case. Thereafter, our Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, the matter was going on Supreme Court. Manohar Parrikar मुख्यमंत्री झालो. Manohar Parrikar मुख्यमंत्री जातकर maybe this lobby has approached them. जी lobby actually, ती lobby परत हांका अप्रोच जाल्ली आसतली. मनोहर पर्रीकर मुख्यमंत्री आसलेलो तेन्ना आणि तेजे नंतर सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसिजन घेवचो आशिल्लो. ते सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे डिसिजन घेवचे पयलीं हेणी आउट ऑफ कोर्ट सेटलमेंट करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. सेटिंग जालें डायरेक्टली. Some legal experts were also involved in this setting. आणि त्या टायमार तुमकां याद जातली मनोहर पर्रीकर हो बरो ना जालो. तेजे नंतर तेगेलो सरकार हो हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान चलतालो. आमी ताका कितले रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो की तुमी राजिनामा दी आनी दुसऱ्याक चलोवनी. आनी तेन्ना आमी हेंय सांगताले की ज्या तरेन हो सरकार हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान चलता, ज्या तरेन मनोहर पर्रीकर तेन्ना मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्लो, ताका वेगळे वेगळे लॉबीज ब्लॅकमेल करतात, तेजे सायन्स घेतात आनी तेगेले सायन एक्चुअली मारतात. तेजो पर्सनल सेक्रेटरी हेजेर आमी परत परत ऑब्जेक्शन घातलें. तरी आसतना ह्या सरकारान SEZ लॉबी कडेन सेटिंग केलें आनी हायकोर्टान खंयच सांगना की तांकां इंट्रस्ट पे करा म्हणून. सुप्रीम कोर्टान खंयच सांगना की SEZ लॉबीक इंट्रस्ट पे करा म्हणून. आनी हे सगळें आसतना this BJP government with high-handed corruption has done a scam in this SEZ. There is no provision in the IDC laws. The rules of GSIDC are very clear. refund of principal amount, but okay, they have deposited money. If they are refunding the money, okay, we don't object to that. I have objected this after the cabinet meeting, after this setting was open. Glenn Ticklow is the chairman. Vishwajit Rani is the industry minister. And the GSIDC to MDH. GSIDC is having no money. That time I remember I raised this issue on 5th August 2018 with your press conference only, that GSIDC had just 30 crores. They could not even pay the 7th pay commission to their employees. And you are not having the funds, and you are negotiating with SEZ developers on the interest part to pay them 133 crores interest. Is it business of giving this interest? It's a bank financial institution. JSI is so interest was a business thing. We have strongly objected, and we have urged the government not to pay interest. You have not been directed by Supreme Court, you have not been directed by High Court, nor the GSIDC laws and the bylaws supports, because it is an illegal payment of interest to the SEZ lobby is illegal. And त्याच्यानंतर they have projected as if the Supreme Court has directed them. They have made a compromise and they have given to the proposal to the Supreme Court that we are settling this issue. But Supreme Court never told them. Supreme Court there is no order of the Supreme Court which says that they should be paid interest. So entire setting केले आणि setting करून त्याच्यानंतर 7 February 2018 सुप्रीम कोर्टाने एक ऑर्डर दिली की स्टेटस को मेंटेन केला आणि त्यांनी सांगले तुम्ही किती कशा असते अंडरस्टँडिंग किती असते करा आणि प्रपोजल एक्झॅक्टली किती असतो सुप्रीम कोर्टाकडे कन्सेंट घेऊन. The state was represented by ANS Nadkarni, ASG, and Datta Prasad Lavandi as AG, whereas all the petitioners was represented by Mr. Mukul Rohtgi. Thereafter, after the 7 February 2018 order, the manipulation again started. Between the 9th and 12th of February, all the developers त्यांना एक setting केले की तुम्ही एक letter लिहूपाचे asking for 15% interest on this amount. Now, how they get the right to claim the interest? They were supposed to return the land to the government as per the High Court order. Now you have gone and blocked our land. You should have been paying the lease to us, to our government, because you have kept that land with you, despite High Court saying surrender the land. You have not given back the land, and you have gone on appeal, and we are not responsible. Goa government is not responsible to pay the interest when we are in our financial crisis. We are in financial emergency right now, which I have been repeatedly saying. We are borrowing the money by selling the bonds. Every month we are selling 100 crores bonds. And when we are having the liability of around 26,000 loan of rupees 1.50 lakhs. They have not taken the loan. The Goa government has borrowed the loan on every citizen of India, of Goa, and you are running the state without having any finance. And there was no reason for the state government to pay interest. If at all you want to pay, you pay their whatever the investment they have made, deposits, you refund that money. And first, you are taking the letters from there, you are making a high level setting when our financial state is already in the financial crisis, and they have claimed 440 crores. Means, see the style of setting. 440 कोटीचे claim घालप and त्याच्यानंतर 256.20 crore settle करप. And while settling, what they have done? Their refund is 132.91 crores, and interest you are refunding is 123.29 crores. Why the interest has to be paid? Who has told you? Who has told this government? So here setting up with त्यांना मुख्यमंत्री Mr. Parrikar, along with his legal team, the industry minister Vishwajit Rane, the chairman Mr. Glenn Dicklow, and then MD of this GSIDC. They are all part and parcel of this to get the kickbacks. And I am told some of them even got property in Mumbai for this settlement from the SZ developers. So you are selling the state of Goa when we are in the financial crisis. Instead of helping the state to save the money, we are burdening the state with another 123 crores. And when you don't have the funds, you have borrowed that money from Oriental Bank. How much money you have borrowed? You have borrowed 200 crores. You are borrowing the money and paying the interest to the SZ developers. This is the scam. The biggest scam that we have raised. I have written to the CAG, demanding with the CAG that the detailed study has to be done. Now, we want to ask Mr. Vishwajit Rane, the then industry minister. Now we cannot question then chief minister because he is no more. We want to ask Vishwajit Rane, he should come clean and explain within 7 days about his source of income, about the various properties and assets that he has acquired after this settlement was done, about the kickbacks. We want to also ask Mr. Glenn Dicklow, who was the chairman. He should have red flagged that proposal. He should have objected that proposal in the interest of the JSIDC, which has not done. So, what is that kickback that Mr. Glenn Dicklow also has received? I remember when I attacked this government, saying that it is a scam, they have used Mr. Dicklow to attack me. These illegalities I have raised, and Mr. Glenn Dicklow was justifying the government stand to pay interest to them. When you have no money, why you have to pay the interest? So we want to ask him, he should also come clear on all these kickbacks and why he had not red flagged, why he had not opposed this proposal. And we also want then MD proposal of paying interest, which he had not done. Because as a MD, it was his duty to protect the interest of the state. Now the issue comes is when जेन्ना आमी तांकां सांगलेलें की तुमी हें करनाकात, financial crisis is a financial problem. Now I am told the state government is borrowing money. State government has borrowed 200 crores to pay them interest and to get the kickbacks. So now the government is in the crisis. You know what I told them in 2018. Now the state government is facing now. The state government is paying 4 crore rupees installment every month to the Oriental Bank, and of which 1.1 crore is only the interest on this amount that is borrowed. आता आम्ही corruption केले already. Now they are doing scam in the scam. It's a scam within the scam. So एका स्कॅमांतल्या भितर आनी स्कॅम करतात. So अशी BJP party, and for which I also blame the present Chief Minister. The present Chief Minister has just supported all the proposals. I don't know whether he also got any kickbacks, the present Chief Minister. But you have destroyed Goa's financial position. When the Goa was in the crisis, instead of helping Goa, you have created a problem for Goa. Paying 256 crores was not necessary. We strongly demand now there is another scam that is going on. Now they are trying to sell the land, e-auction the land, which we are objecting. We urge the government, we demand with the government, don't e-auction them. Instead of that, make small plots and give to our entrepreneurs. आमच्या गोंयांत जे ल्हान ल्हान एंटरप्राइज पयलीं तुमी एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिना, that employment will be generated and more employment will be created. We oppose to that auctioning. आनीक तुमी ते ऑप्शन करता आसतना तुमी consultant, म्हणजे consultant is another scam of the BJP, which they have introduced since 2012. In the name of consultant, they are making crores of rupees. So we don't need consultant. We have sufficient people in the government who can guide the e-auctioning, whatever it is. And first of all, the e-auctioning is not needed because there are many entrepreneurs, promising entrepreneurs in the state of Goa who are waiting to start a business. Promote them, make the small plots, allot these plots to them without any corruption, and a detailed inquiry. The matter, the Chief Minister, we urge, we demand that hand over this matter to CBI. तुम्ही गोंयकारांक कशें फटयले ते हेजेर कळटले, आनी जर तर हे सगळे हेजेर एक्शन घेना, we will take the initiative of exposing this government on this matter. So if you have any issues, I am here. See, we are coming back to the power after another 1 year. That is the common wish of the people of Goa today. People are fed up with this corrupt government, incompetent government, and a defective government who is working against the interests of people of Goa, who is working against the interests of Goa and destroying the economy, destroying the ecology. So we are coming to the power after 1 year. Moment we come in the power, we assure the people of Goa that this scam will be completely exposed, everything will be investigated in detail, and will send everyone into jail. यांनी कोणा गोवाचो एक्चेकराक डिस्ट्रॉय केल्ले आसा to pocket the money at the cost of the state's financial crisis is non-pardonable. When we are already in the financial mess, we don't expect this government, insensitive government, to indulge in such corruption. Yes. Once we are in power, we will do. But before that, we will definitely use all the legal options that are available before us. I have already written to the CAG on this matter. I have already objected on this matter on 5th August 2018. तुमचे मुखारूच हें केल्लें आनी तांकां आमी डिमांड केल्लें की इंट्रस्ट पे करनाका म्हणून. इट इज अगेन्स्ट द लॉ, इट्स इल्लीगल. आनी तेणी कितें केलें, पिक्चर अशें लोकां भितर दाखयलें की सुप्रीम कोर्टान सेटल केलें म्हणून. सुप्रीम कोर्ट हॅज नेवर सेड. इफ दे हॅव ऑर्डर which where the Supreme Court has declared or given the order to pay interest to the SEZ developers, show that. Bring that letter, court order, which states that the Supreme Court has ordered to pay the interest. So they have only manipulated. Everything was manipulated. And there were some illegal experts involved in this. And such a manipulation scam. And when the scam was going on, actually it was going through these manipulations. Setting was going through hospital, which I had already informed you in 2018. जर पिरियड केलो, पयलो तुमी सगळें चॅक केलो, बोर्ड ऑफ मिटींग जाल्यो, कॅबिनेट डिसिजन जालें. It is only after Parrikar has fallen sick and he has returned back from USA after his first treatment. It has all started during that time. See, I've not said forged. I said, no, I've said it, but it was not forged. Signature was not forged. The secretary of CMO was signing all the documents. It is illegal. The chief minister cannot be substituted by one of IAS officer. The chief minister is the chief minister of the state. He cannot be substituted unless a new chief minister is sworn in. A power of the chief minister cannot be given by one letter to the secretary. It cannot be given to the secretary. So that is illegal. So all those signatures are illegal. We are already in the process of filing that complaint because we were waiting for more documents and more signatures on that. Minister has to, if the state is stable, then our CLP leader, Digambar Kamath, has given in writing demanding 100 crores to the people who have suffered. The state may be stable. If Chief Minister is claiming, from a moment I will believe that. But आमचे जे लोक सफर जाल्ले आसा, कोण सामके शेतां वचपी कामगार, बस ड्रायव्हर, टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर, कोण बारीक बारीक हॉटेल चलयता ते, जो बारीक बारीक धंदो करपाचे लोक आशिल्ले सगळे काबार जाल्ले आसा. 100 कोटीची एक पॅकेज तांकां इमिजिएटली रिलीज करात जर बरी आसल्यार, आनी ती बॉन्ड्स विकता पळय म्हयन्याक 100 कोटीची ती बंद करात. ज्यो लायबिलिटीज आसा त्यो क्लियर करात. ती 26,000 crores लायबिलिटी पावलेली आसा ती 15,000 कोटीचेर हाडात जर फायनान्शियल स्टेट बरी आसल्यार. जे पेन्शन जे सगळे पेंडिंग आसा ते पेन्शन रिलीज करात. Seafarers pension is not paid for last more than 1 year. Many of these schemes, the people who are depending on these schemes, त्यांच्याकडे अजून पैसे पावले ना, त्या पैसे पहिले रिलीज करात. PWDचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर, JNPC कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आयज रडटा. आयज ते त्यांची परिस्थिती वायट जाल्या आसता, तांकां पयली पेमेंट रिलीज करात जर स्टेट बरे आसल्यार. सो मुख्यमंत्री बेश्टोच परत बंडलां मारून फटींग मारून लावन फायनान्शियल पोजिशन ऑफ द स्टेट इज व्हेरी क्लियर. The statistics and a report prepared by the RBI is very clear. Where we are today is already clear. In another few days, I will come out with a more documented inquiry. The matter the Chief Minister was Speaker Rasa. स्पीकर कायद्या प्रमाणे काम करना. ही इज नॉट वर्किंग एज पर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नॉर एज पर द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर. द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर इज वेरी क्लियर. Supreme Court guidelines that was given to all the speakers in the country, that any disqualification petition before the speaker should be disposed of within 3 months. 3 months is the outer limit. Now, it is now almost 20 months that I filed my petition, disqualification petition. Because स्पीकराक जाय तशी दी, आमच्या अगेन्स्ट दी. तू म्हणटा ते मर्जर सारखे आसा ते सारखे आसा म्हणून दी, पूण ऑर्डर दी. वी नो हाव टू हँडल इट. बट द स्पीकर इज abusing his power. आता तो फक्त टाइमपास करता just because of the Supreme Court. In the Supreme Court, I think the matter is listed for the 5th of April. So he is only making a time pass. Complete झाले आसा, hearing complete झाले आसा from all sides. Nothing is pending. So he is making a piecemeal just in calling petitioners and trying to show Supreme Court that he is in the process of hearing. We say if you convince you because you yourself has done the merger. Why you have to take such a time? If you have done that merger legally, if you know that is legally, give the order in their favor. We don't mind, but give the order. Why you are holding it for 20 months time that you can hold on that petition when the Supreme Court guidelines are very clear that it has to be cleared within 3 months? This is not fair. And he is holding the constitutional position. he has to respect the constitution, he has to respect the laws of the land. गोंयांत अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट 35% पावलेलें आसा. गव्हर्मेंट जॉब्स क्रिएट करना. तूं ई ऑक्शन करून आनी स्कॅम करपाक सोदता. एक स्कॅम केले 133 crores. त्या स्कॅमा भितर आनी एक स्कॅम. म्हणजे कशें लुटप? एक लुटलें तें लुटपाक आनी लुटप. म्हणजे यश जाली बीजेपीचे सरकारान एक हे मारपाक, खळी मारपाक, खळी मारनासतना खळी मारली म्हणून पयशे, आनी जी खळी केन्ना मारूं नाशिल्ली ती पुरोवपाक आनी पयशे, कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट, दोनी वटच्यान खावप. सो बीजेपी सरकाराचो असो काम चलता. ई ऑक्शन करपाक ते आतां परत कन्सल्टंट घेवपाक सोदतात. ते कन्सल्टंट म्हणजे परत आनी करप्शन. ई ऑक्शन म्हणजे बाबू कवळेकर एक्सप्लेन करतलो प्लॉट्स कशे करून ऑक्शन करता आनी करतलो. तो सारको एक्सपर्ट आसा हेतून. तुम्ही केन्ना बाबू कवळेकराक मेळ्ळे जाल्यार विचारा, बाबा ह्या प्लॉटांच्या ऑक्शनाचेर पयशे कशे करप, करप्शन कशें करप. बाबू कवळेकर तुका डिटेल तुका कोचिंग करतलो. सो ही इज एक्सपर्ट इन दॅट. आमी ह्या हेका विरोध करतात. गोंयचे यूथ तरणाटे आमच्या अनएम्प्लॉयड आसात, तांकां कॅपिटल फंड थोडे दियात आनी एक प्लॉट दियात. ते जॉब्स आनी क्रिएट करतले. ते एम्प्लॉय जातलेच. दे वील क्रिएट मोर जॉब्स. सो इफ यू गिव हे परत तुमी आमची जमीन काडटले आनी परत भायल्या लोकांक दितले, आमकां कितें फायदो जातलो? त्या परस तुमी ते धाकले प्लॉट करात आनी त्या प्लॉट तुमी अलॉट करात. जे काम करपाक सोदतात, बिझनेस करपाक सोदतात, धंदो करपाक सोदतात, तांकां फायनान्शियल एक वेगळी पॅकेज करात. कारण अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज ऑल टायम हाय, 35% in the history of Goa, which was never was the case. आमचे ऑलरेडी CLP लिडर आनी बाकीच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी डिमांड केल्ली आसा. ऑलरेडी वी सपोर्ट